Now, how to buy a theme from the Shopify theme store. So, there are two ways to add a theme for your Shopify admin, which are using a .zip file and use a free theme. Besides these two ways, you can also buy a theme from Shopify theme store. When purchasing a paid theme, you will need to pay for it before you can publish it to your store. But you can always experience that theme before really buying it. So, how to buy a theme from the Shopify store? Firstly, I will explain in brief. Like the first step is to log in, then click online store, then click visit theme store, then find theme, then view theme collections, then view theme by industries, then search theme, then use filter bar to filter theme, then view theme details. Also, then the 10th step is view theme information. Step 11 is view other stores use the theme. Then the last step is view review about theme. Now the first step is login. You need to go to this link and log in into your Shopify account. Step 2 is click online store. Next to browse more themes available, you can click on the online store section. Step 3 is click visit theme store. Afterwards, scroll down and you will see the Shopify themes store section, which is in the more themes area. Click visit theme store to view more themes. Step 5, view theme collections. Here you can, by moving your computer's mouse to the word collections, you will see various themes collections such as trending this week, fun, lively, or minimalist style. You can click on each collection to view all the themes including in it. Step 6 is view theme by industries. Or you can move your computer's mouse to the word industries to view all the themes which are browsed by industry. Then step 7 is search theme. If you already have the theme, if you already know the theme, but you that you're looking for, you can click on the search button on the right hand side of your screen. When a search bar appears, you can enter some details of that theme to find it. Step 8 is use filter bar to filter theme. You can narrow your search down even further by using the filter bar on the left side of your computer screen. Let me show you. This was step 8, like this. This price, free, paid, number of products, single product, small catalogs, medium catalogs, large catalogs, then the layout style, wide, grid, collage, editorial, row. Then the step 9 is view theme details. Once you have found the suitable theme, you can click on the name of it to view its details. In the theme's details screen, you can see the different features layout by click on view demo, or you can click try theme to preview what your store will look like in this theme. You can also click the buy theme button to purchase if you feel that this is the one. Step 10 is view theme information. So there you can see the name of the firm who designed this theme. You can view their documentation, website, or contact them if you need any support. Then step 11 is view other stores, use the theme. Also in this page, when scrolling down, you can also see the stores which are using this theme. Then step 12 is view review about the theme. And near the end of the page, you can just read the reviews of other shop owners to consider whether you should apply this theme or not. Then, through all the steps above, you are being provided for basic things about how to buy a theme from the Shopify theme store on Shopify. I hope that after all these steps, you will be able to buy a theme for your store But you need to apply these steps in reality. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.